this example, what we're doing here is I've written a not particularly musical backing track, but one that cycles through the 7 modes of the major scale, and I kept them all on the same tonic. So each one of these is going to be in C. So we need to have that knowledge of what each one of these modes contains in terms of its ingredients. So mode 1 on the major scale, of course, is C Ionian. So I would be thinking major triad, and of course there's a 7, like a major 7, a 9, and we also have a 4. So when I can see that, I know that my mode sound is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So that's the sound of my mode. Now, of course, a modal sound is more than that, though. A modal sound is about having the sound of a chord progression to me. So being able to play something like... So something like that. And the basic idea is the mode happens, and what I do in this particular example is I think I just play the descending scale, right? Or ascending scale. Words to that effect. And then I play a very boring melody that uses that sound. Something like that. And I want you to use this backing track and have the knowledge to be able to go, okay, well, major is this. You can play anything, it really doesn't matter. I'm changing positions a lot and I'm adding a lot of chromatics in, but you'll get more of that the more advanced your playing becomes. The point is, I understand the modal sound. Now, the second mode of the major scale is Dorian, and that's going to be this type of sound. So it's a minor scale, and it has a natural 6 in there. So 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7. Now I know that sound. Played a major 7 in there because I like the sound of that. That's like a Dorian sound. And the idea, I don't know why I changed pickups for that. The idea again is to be able to play the mode and then a lick. It doesn't matter what you play, mode idea. So I could go between major to the Dorian. So really, again, doesn't matter what you play. It's about just having that knowledge. You might play something much simpler where we go, okay, Ionian is a major scale. Just playing major triad. And then for Dorian, I might go something much more arpeggio based, but it helps me to track the difference between those two modes. Now the third mode of the major scale, beautiful one, this is the Phrygian. It has this type of sound to it. You can get it as a more chordal sound by playing. Much darker sound. And again, I know the modal ingredients, if you like. So we've got the important thing is we have a flat 2. So it is a minor chord, but we have a flat 2. 1, flat 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1. Being able to get that modal sound. Again, I'm trying to stay in this one area, right? So major. Dorian. Phrygian. And then our fourth mode would be Lydian. So Lydian is a major scale with a raised fourth. Again, I know the intervallic sound here, so I can play Lydian by making sure that I hit that sharp 4. Gives us this really nice sound. If I play it as a Lydian. 1, 2, 3, sharp 4, 5, 6, major 7, 1. That's our Lydian sound. Mixed Lydian, major scale with a flat 7. It's going to be this type of sound. C. There's a flat 7 in there. What we're looking for here is bringing out that flat 7. 1, 3, 5, flat 7. Again, scale. I could play melody. I could play scale. That's my mix of Lydian everywhere. Control, and I can put that over the backing track. Next up, mode 6 is Aeolian. Darker sound, it's the minor scale, traditional, natural minor scale, flat 6. So 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7. Our Aeolian, mode 6. And then finally the dark one, Locrian, mode 7, the badass one. So if I was doing this, we're really looking at this sort of a sound. That sort of a sound doesn't come up all that often. This one is flat 2, flat 3, 4, flat 5, flat 6, flat 7. So 1, flat 2. So the idea is you want to take this modal backing track and we're going to play each one of those modes in order. So we play a line that sounds like Ionian. So Dorian. Phrygian. Lydian. Mixolydian. Aeolian. Locrian. And then we're back at Ionian. So it's a nice backing track to help keep ourselves on our toes. And, you know, when I'm trying to do that, I'm trying to listen. Ears are important. I'm trying not to look so much at the fretboard. I'm trying to hear what I want to play and work on the sound of things and have that connection between what I hear and what my fingers do. Anyway, here's the exercise one more time for you. Please do consider checking out my new book, Guided Practice Routines for Guitar, Advanced Level.